Have you ever wondered which handheld gaming console in 2026 can truly replace your gaming PC and fix all your gaming problems? Low performance, expensive setups, and lack of portability? What if the solution fits in your hands? Watch till the end to discover the top 5 best handheld gaming consoles of 2026. Number 5. Valve Steam Deck OLED. What if the future of gaming wasn't sitting on your desk, but right in your hands? Have you ever imagined playing your full PC game library anywhere? On your bed, in a car, at school, or while traveling, without sacrificing performance? That's exactly why the Valve Steam Deck OLED is creating massive hype in 2026. But here's the real question. Can a handheld console truly replace your gaming PC or even compete with modern consoles? Most gamers struggle with expensive setups, weak mobile gaming, overheating laptops, and limited portability. The Steam Deck OLED changes the game completely with its stunning OLED display, improved battery life, faster downloads, deeper blacks, smoother performance, and incredible comfort during long gaming sessions. Imagine loading AAA titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, GTA 5, or Hogwarts Legacy in the palm of your hand, and then suddenly realizing you're gaming in places you never thought possible. That's the wait. This is actually insane moment people are sharing all over social media. The upgraded OLED screen makes every color pop, every dark scene look cinematic, and every explosion feel more immersive than ever before. And when gamers see PC-quality graphics running smoothly on a handheld device this compact, their reaction is usually the same, pure shock. But here's the craziest part. Many players buy the Steam Deck OLED thinking it's just another handheld console, then end up using it more than their gaming PC. Why? Because convenience changes everything. No desk. No setup stress. Just press power and play instantly. Whether you love action games, racing, indie titles, or competitive shooters, this device feels like the future of portable gaming has finally arrived. So before you buy your next gaming laptop or console, ask yourself one thing. Are you ready to experience real next-level handheld gaming? Number 4. Lenovo Legion Go S. What if your next gaming PC could fit inside your backpack, or even your hands? Have you ever wanted the power of a gaming setup without being stuck at a desk all day? That's exactly why the Lenovo Legion Go S is becoming one of the most talked about handheld gaming devices of 2026. But here's the big question. Can a handheld really deliver true PC-quality gaming without compromise? Most gamers struggle with heavy laptops, overheating systems, short battery life, and the frustration of not being able to game anywhere comfortably. The Lenovo Legion Go S changes that completely. With its smooth high refresh rate display, powerful AMD Ryzen Z series processor, ergonomic design, and impressive gaming performance, this handheld feels more like a portable gaming monster than a small console. AAA titles like Cyberpunk 2077, GTA 5, Forza Horizon, and Elden Ring look shockingly good on this device, and that's the moment people can't stop talking about online. Now imagine this viral moment. You're sitting in a cafe, on a flight, or relaxing in bed, and someone notices what looks like a full gaming PC experience running in your hands. They assume it's a laptop connected somewhere nearby, until they realize the entire game is running directly on a handheld device. That wait, there's no setup reaction is exactly the kind of moment that makes people stop scrolling on TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. But here's the craziest part. Many gamers buy the Legion Go S expecting it to be just another handheld console, then end up using it more than their actual gaming PC. Why? Because convenience changes everything. No desk. No complicated setup. Just power it on and instantly jump into your favorite games anytime, anywhere. Whether you love competitive shooters, open-world adventures, racing games, or indie titles, the Lenovo Legion Go S feels like the future of portable gaming has officially arrived. Number 3. Nintendo Switch 2. What if Nintendo finally created a handheld powerful enough to make people stop comparing it to just a kid's console? The Nintendo Switch 2 is becoming one of the biggest gaming sensations of 2026 because it doesn't just improve the original Switch, it completely changes what people expect from portable gaming. But here's the real question. Can a Nintendo handheld finally compete with modern gaming PCs and consoles? For years, gamers loved Nintendo exclusives but complained about weak hardware, low frame rates, blurry graphics, and impossible third-party ports. Now the Nintendo Switch 2 is changing that conversation entirely. With a larger 7.9-inch 1080p display, support for HDR, up to 120 FPS, improved Joy-Cons, and even 4K output while docked, this system feels like a massive leap forward. And here's the viral moment that's blowing up online. Imagine someone watching you play what looks like a high-end PS5 or gaming PC title, then realizing it's running on a Nintendo handheld. Wait, this is actually a Switch. Reaction is exactly why clips of the Switch 2 are exploding across TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Games that once seemed impossible on Nintendo hardware are now running smoothly in handheld mode. And even developers are shocked by the results. The craziest part? Many gamers bought the Switch 2 expecting another Nintendo upgrade, but now they're using it more than their PlayStation or gaming PC because of the freedom it gives. No desk setup. No sitting in one room. Just pick it up and instantly continue your game anywhere. From Mario Kart World to massive third-party AAA titles, the Switch 2 finally feels like the handheld gamers dreamed about for years. Number 2. Ayaneo 3. What if a handheld gaming device finally stopped feeling like a compromise and started feeling like a futuristic gaming machine from the next generation? That's exactly why the Ayaneo 3 is creating massive hype among hardcore gamers in 2026. But here's the real question. Can a handheld actually deliver desktop-level gaming power while still being portable enough to carry anywhere? The Ayaneo 3 isn't just another gaming handheld. It's one of the most advanced portable gaming PCs ever created. With powerful AMD Ryzen AI processors, a stunning 144Hz OLED display option, modular controls, Hall-effect joysticks, customizable buttons, and support for AAA gaming, this device feels like the future arrived early. The biggest feature turning heads online is its modular controller system, allowing players to swap layouts and customize controls depending on the game they're playing. Now imagine this viral moment. Someone watches you playing Cyberpunk 2077, Black Myth, Wukong, or Forza Horizon smoothly on what they think is a mini gaming laptop, then suddenly realizes the entire experience is happening on a handheld console in your hands. Wait, this thing can actually do that. Reaction is exactly the kind of moment exploding across TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and gaming Reels. And here's the craziest part. Many gamers buy the Ayaneo 3 expecting a niche handheld, then end up replacing their gaming laptop for daily use. Why? Because this device isn't only made for gaming. It can also work like a compact Windows PC with keyboard and mouse functionality, customizable macros, productivity support, and even external GPU connectivity through OCU Link. Of course, some gamers still worry about battery life, pricing, and long-term support, especially because high-end handheld PCs are becoming more expensive in 2026. Community discussions online often praise the incredible OLED screen and performance, while others debate whether competitors like the Legion Go